In the previous tutorial, we have learned about georeferencing and digitization of maps. Today, it's time to learn about the layout of a map. Let's make our final output in a more creative way. So what's the process? After inputting all the features to your map, it's time for final layout. For final layout, click on Project, New Print Layout. Now input a title to your map. And click on OK. A new window will be opened. Now right click on the page properties. Here you can change the page size and orientation as per your requirement. Now click on Add Item, Add Shape, Add Rectangle. Just drag from upper left corner to the right corner. Then again click on Add Item, Add Map. Now in the right side, change the scale of the map to fit it in the box. You can use this toolbar to move the map. Now click on the box to add the frame to the map. Now select on grids, click on the plus sign, modify grid. Now select the grid type as frame and annotations only. Select the CRS as project CRS. Now set the interval you want in latitudes and longitudes. Now set the frame style as exterior text for latitude and longitudes. Now check in the box, draw coordinates. Select the format. I will select degree minute with suffix. Now select the left side as vertical ascending and right side as vertical descending for the latitudes. Now if you want, you can again change the intervals. Now again click on Add Item, Add Scale Bar. If you want, you can change the scale bar units and segments. Now again click on Add Item, Add North Arrow, again in the same way. Now from the right side, you can select any of the north arrow. Now again click on Add Item, Add Legend. Now in the right side, set the title name as index. Now you can edit the items in the index and change the font size. Now you can also change the symbol size. Now again from the add item, add label. On the right side, input a label to your map. Now change the font size. Now we have to save this. To save this image, just go to layout and you will get here option export as image, export as SVG and PDF. I will go for export as image. And the map will be saved in PNG format. Save.